25 upon 4 whole raised to the power of 9 upon 4. Can you solve it without using calculator? Let's try. So 25 we can write it as 5 square and 4 as 2 square, then whole raised to the power of 9 upon 4. Now when a raised to the power of m upon b raised to the power of m, we can write it as a upon b whole raised to the power of m. Therefore this will be 5 upon 2 whole raised to the power of 2, then whole raised to the power of 9 upon 4. Again a raised to the power m whole raised to the power of n, it is equal to a raised to the power of m times n. So this will be 5 upon 2 whole raised to the power of 2 times 9 upon 4. Now 2 times 2 is 4. So it is 5 upon 2 whole raised to the power of 9 upon 2. This we can also write it as 5 upon 2 whole raised to the power of 9 times 1 upon 2. And when a raised to the power of m times n, this we can write it as a raised to the power of m whole to the power of n. So this we can write 5 upon 2 whole raised to the power of 9, then whole raised to the power of 1 upon 2. When a is raised to the power of 1 upon 2, it means a is under square root. When a is raised to the power of 1 upon 3, it is a is under cube root. So this we can write 5 upon 2 whole raised to the power of 9 under square root. Now 5 upon 2 whole raised to the power 9. This we can write 5 upon 2 whole raised to the power of 8 plus 1. And when a raised to the power of m plus n, this is equal to a raised to the power of m times a raised to the power of n. So this will be 5 upon 2 whole raised to the power of 8 times 5 upon 2 whole raised to the power of 1, or simply 5 upon 2 under square root. Now when a times b is under square root, this means a is under square root times b is under square root. So this becomes 5 upon 2 whole raised to the power of 8 under square root times 5 upon 2 under square root. Now square root means we know it is raised to the power of 1 upon 2. So 5 upon 2 raised to the power of 1 upon 2 times 8, then times 5 upon 2 under square root. 2 times 4 is 8. So it is 5 upon 2 whole raised to the power of 4 times, this we can write it as square root of 5 upon square root of 2, because when a upon b is under square root, this we can write square root of a upon square root of b. Now 5 to the power 4 is 625. 2 to the power 4 is 16 times square root of 5. Now the denominator is a radical. To make it a real number, we need the denominator to be a real number. So we rationalize the denominator. So we multiply and divide it by the denominator, because multiplying and dividing by the same number won't change the number, because you can easily cancel these two. It will be 1, and multiplying by 1 means nothing. So let's multiply and divide it by square root of 2. So it is 625 upon 16 times 5 under square root times 2 under square root will be 10 under square root upon square root of 2 square. Now remove the square root with this square. So it is 625 times square root of 10 upon 16 times 2, or it is 625 times square root of 10 upon 32. This is our solution. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.